Do you want to look younger and more vibrant? Today, I'll share with you simple tips and tricks that can make you look years younger. Here we go. Hello, I'm so glad that you joined me today. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm really excited to share with you my top tips for looking younger. Now, there's nothing wrong with embracing your age and being happy with where you're at, but a lot of us want to optimize how we look, and there are definitely some things you can do here and there to shave the years off. I still feel like I have the same energy that I did in my 20s, but at 53, I really feel the best that I ever have in terms of feeling more confident, knowing who I am, assessing situations, just being stronger. I'm just really happy with where I am at, and as much as I might miss my figure from my 20s, I don't think I go back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, I'm Nicole, and if you like videos about beauty and lifestyle, you are in the right place. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to join my community, and would love if you gave this video a like if you are enjoying my content. All right, let's get into those tips and tricks to make us look younger. The first thing we're going to talk about is our hair. Younger people's hair is very shiny. It just looks healthy. There's some bounce to it. So of course, use quality shampoo, conditioner, stay on top of getting your ends trimmed, but there are a couple things you can do that will really help. One thing is using a shine spray. This one is the Glimmer Shine by Moroccan Oil. I like this one a lot. There are other ones out there. Basically what you do, here, I'll do this, hopefully this won't get onto my camera. I just usually mist kind of higher in the air above me. I do a couple pumps, and then it just kind of falls down on my hair and gives me some instant shine. So I don't know how much of that you could see, given it's a very fine mist, but this is something that will really help. Check out using a shine spray. And then another thing is, this is by Living Proof. This is their split end, what's called Fresh Cut Split End Mender. And you just take a little bit of this, it's a cream, and put it onto the ends of your fingers, and you can kind of get those little ends that might be looking kind of split and not so healthy. Oh, and another thing, if you've got those little frizzy ones that stick out, since I started getting gray in my hair, I don't know if you've noticed that too, but they just kind of tend to stick out more. Clear brow gel. I have a little thing of it at my vanity, and if I'm doing a ponytail or if I have little pieces that are sticking up that I can see, just a little brow gel works way better than hairspray or hairspray on a brush. Honestly, use some clear brow gel. That stuff sticks. Those little pieces will not be popping up again later. So tip number one, get that hair looking super healthy. Now, my next tip for looking younger is your attitude and smiling. A lot of times when we're older, we just kind of look grumpy. We might be thinking really hard. We've got a lot to think about at this age. Aside from the world today, aging parents and a lot of things like that are going on. So you can tend to get kind of scowly and grouchy looking, when maybe you're just thinking really hard about something. So maybe just trying to, think about having a pleasant look on our face, I think will always make us look younger, because just having a smile on your face just brings a brightness to your eyes and a happiness, and I think people really appreciate that too. Another thing is your posture. Trying to stand up straight. I know that, nowadays, more backaches, things like that, but maybe do some stretches. Try to keep your shoulders back, your head up, and when you walk, try to walk with purpose. Really try to keep that posture. If you look at young people, they really stand up straight. They're not hunching. They're not, I guess if they're on their phones all the time, they might be. But in general, having good posture. I remember ages ago someone said, as if a string was coming from your tailbone up through the top of your head and pulling. You want to be straight, and, that posture, that confidence will also look younger. Now, if you wear makeup, one important one, I see this myself every day, is how I apply my eyeshadow. I have more of a hooded eye, so I try to put the darker part of my eyeshadow where the hood of my eye is, to push it back, to open up my eyes. That really makes a big difference. Also, adding a bit of eyeliner, right at my lash line really helps open my eyes. If you want to do mascara or some false lashes, that all opens the eye. We want to lift, lift, lift. And also, I don't put, for me, maybe it works for you, I don't put much liner under my eye at all. I put a bit of a copper or gold shimmer underneath a lot of times, because for me, when I put too much liner, unless I'm really doing a big eye look, it just drags my eye down. So I find, really and you have to look at your face because, you know, your eyes are different than my eyes. So, you know, you'll probably want to do something different unless we happen to look very similar. But figure out what lifts. That's what we're trying to do, to get that wide open-eyed look. And even the way I apply my false lashes when I put them on, I make sure that I don't have them going out here. I have them kind of going up, because we want to lift. I have several videos about this, so I'm not going to get too far down the rabbit hole, but silk pillowcases make such a difference for your hair and skin. Again, you'll get that smoother, shinier hair sleeping on a silk pillowcase, and also your skin just glides across it. It doesn't absorb as much moisture out of your skin. You know, we put all those expensive serums and stuff on at night. We lay on a cotton pillowcase that sucks about 26 times its own weight of moisture into it. You know, silk is just a fantastic way to go. And then also for your hair, the other thing that I found is super great is silk hair ties. You know, they've got small ones, they've got the big ones, but that also makes less wear and tear happen when you're wearing a ponytail. If you wear ponytails, would highly recommend these. They are fantastic. I've got more detail about this type of thing in some other videos that I've done if you want to look for those. Now let's talk about eyebrows. As we get older, our eyebrows are thinning. Younger people usually have great eyebrows. I know that I waxed mine to death in the 90s, so I don't have that many left anymore, and they're blonde. So I do dye mine, so that's great when I'm not, you know, wearing makeup. At least they look better than they would. But really, just taking a couple minutes every day to fill in your eyebrows can really achieve a far more youthful look, and it opens up your eyes. Let's talk hydration. Water, moisturizer, all helps keep your skin plumped, and the plumper your skin, the more youthful you'll look. So definitely stay on top of moisturizing your skin. If you have oily skin, there are some moisturizers that will work great for it, because even with oily skin, you still have to moisturize. I've got very dry skin, so I was slapping on the most hydrating emollient moisturizers that I can, and I also love skin oils. They are fantastic. And I'd love to know, do you have any tips and tricks for looking younger? If so, put them down in the comments below and share with the community. I hope you found this video helpful. I had a lot of fun making it. I was trying to think of just the little things that I do to look younger and feel more vibrant, and thought I would go ahead and share with you guys. So if you have any questions for me, put those down in the comments below. And again, if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, would love if you did so now, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. YouTube will probably be suggesting a couple videos for you now if you have time to watch more. And again, so appreciate you being here with me today. Wishing you all the best, and I will see you in the next video.